Children, how are you? Have you written the answers of the before video questions? Okay, textual grammar completed, children. Okay, let us see the answers. Let us discuss the answers. First one, first model, comprehension check. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. I already told you, already in the box some answers are given. So how to check correct answer, how to keep here. Okay, how to write correct answer on this blank. So first one, many wise men answered the king's questions. Then so children, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. If your answer is correct, very good. Otherwise, change that answer. Okay, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Okay, children, understood? So many wise men answered the king's questions. So many came and gave their answers, but their answers were so varied. Their answers were so different that the king was not at all satisfied. We know that already. Okay, let us see the second question. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Okay, someone suggested. What did they suggest? They suggested that there should be a council of wise men, a group of wise people to help the king and act at the right time. So second answer is to help the king act at the right time. How the king should act, what he should do. Okay, everything the council of wise men should suggest him. Okay, that is second one. Now third one. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable. Someone suggested that king should follow for the first answer. Someone told the answer that king should follow a timetable. So king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. So in the box already we have seen this answer. So and follow it strictly. This is the answer for third question. Okay, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Next, fourth question. The king requested the hermit. The king requested. Okay, why did he request the hermit? Okay, because what is the answer? To answer 3 questions. Yeah, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. The king requested the hermit to answer the 3 questions. Okay, last and final. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. The king washed it and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. So he redressed. Okay, so these are the answers. So first one, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Next one, to help the king act at the right time. Third one, and follow it strictly. Fourth one, to answer 3 questions. Fifth one, but the bleeding would not stop. Understood, children? Do you understand this model? Okay, then let us go to the second model. Okay, I told you that this is nothing but matching. Okay, here in the A column some words are given, in the B column their meanings are given. So we have to match A column with B column. That means word with its meaning. Okay na? So let us start. So first one, wounded. What is the meaning of wounded? So what is the answer of wounded? Severely injured. Okay, wounded means severely injured. The bearded man was wounded. Okay, he was wounded by the bodyguard, no ma. So wounded means he was severely injured. Next, awoke. Then what is the meaning of awoke? Awoke means got up from sleep. Okay, got up from sleep. Awoke means got up from sleep. Next, forgive. So what is the meaning of forgive? Forgive means pardon. Okay, forgive means pardon. Okay, the bearded man requested the king, no, so to forgive me, sir, please forgive me, sir. So forgive means pardon. Okay, next, faithful. Faithful means loyal. Okay, loyal and true. Okay, faithful means loyal. Okay, so next, pity. Pity means, what is the meaning of pity? So feel sorry for. Pity means feel sorry for. Next, beds. We know already. Beds means small patches of ground for plants. Okay, beds, small patches of ground for plants. The final one is return. Return means give back. Return, give back. So once again, wounded, severely injured. Wounded means severely injured. Awoke. Awoke means got up from sleep. Awoke means got up from sleep. Forgive. Forgive means pardon. Forgive means pardon. Faithful, loyal. Okay, the dog is a faithful animal. So faithful means loyal. Pity. Pity means feel sorry for. Okay, pity means feel sorry for. Beds, small patches of ground for plants. Okay, beds means small patches of ground for plants. Okay, then return. Return means give back. Okay, return. I would return your money back. Okay, return your money. So that means I would like to give back your money. Okay, so return means give back. So this is nothing but matching. Okay, matching. So in the first column words are given, in the B column meanings are given. So we already done it. Okay, then let us go to the last model. I told you already noun forms and verb forms. So first in the box, in the yellow color box we have already, but answers are also there. Answer is given. Yes, promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? Yes, this is promised and this is promise. So let us see the answers of these questions. First, Dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. The Dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. In the bracket, judge is given. So let us see the answer. The judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. So judge and judgment. Judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. Okay, so next is second one. I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another over small points. Okay, in the bracket, differ is given. Differ. So first answer, I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another. Although they differed from one another. Okay, this is verb form. So difference and differed. Difference and differed. Okay children, the next. It is a fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as final? So it is fairly simple question to dash. Answer. But will you accept my dash as final? Answer is answer only. So for the both forms, answer. Okay. Next. It is in dash that dash should always be the mother of invention. Okay, in the bracket already given necessary. So it is necessary that dash should always be the mother of invention. Necessity. So necessary and then necessity. Verb forms and the noun forms. Next, hermits are dashmen. How they acquire their dash, no one can tell. We know that hermits are dashmen. We know that. What are those? Okay, they are wise men. How they acquire the dash, no one can tell. What is that? Wisdom. Okay, noun form of wise. So hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. Next, the committee has dashed to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. So the committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. Okay, then what is the noun form of decide? Decision. So decided is the verb form, decision is the noun form. So the committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Then last one, asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. Okay, asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. In the bracket, forgive. So forgiveness and then forgive. So noun form of the forgive is forgiveness and then forgive. So asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. So children, in the first model, we heard already these answers. Okay, comprehension check. And then in the next model, matching. So we know that these are the answers of the first model. Okay, second model, matching. We know that answers for this. So these are the answers for the second model. Then finally, we know these answers also. Okay. So these are the answers of these questions. Okay children, once again I am telling you, go through the question and answers. Please write the answers of the questions in your rough book or HW book. Okay. Next week, Again I'll call you. At that time you should say that answers to me and read and complete this textual grammar in the textbook itself. Okay, correct them. If you have any, if they are wrong means you please correct it and read that synonyms. Okay children, with this we come to the end of the lesson. So total lesson, we just completed the total lesson. So let us move to the next one in the next video. Okay children, thank you for watching. Bye.